What's going on, guys? Alex back here from Royal Street Krew. You're probably wondering where Brandon is today. He's currently at home just sorting out some house stuff, but I'm on the way to pick up some car parts and then we'll install those at home. And Brandon has to do a few maintenance things on his car. But now we're just chucking some petrol in the beast and we'll head to pick up the parts, so we'll take you there. What's going on, guys? We've just got back from picking up the part. It's in the back of the rig. We'll be fitting that soon, but until then the rig's looking a bit dirty, so we're going to give her a quick wash. But until then, stay tuned. Alright guys, Brandon just pulled up now, so see what's good for today.
I made it. Let's just say that.
What's up, bro?
Let's service the rigs.
Today we are going to be doing a quick oil change on the MPS and the FG. We did pick up a lip yesterday, but yeah, it doesn't quite fit. We got told it was for an FG, but yeah, we test fitted it and it didn't fit. But good news is we did pick up something else. We picked up some new tail lights. They're not much different, but as you can see, around here is all chrome, and on the new one it's black around the edge, and it's
it just deletes all the chrome.
All red here, yeah. So they're 50th anniversary tail lights. We would fit the other side, but yeah, we can't. So we'll be test fitting the one side to see what they look like, and after the car goes in on Friday, they'll be fitted up to the car.
So I just noticed that my car looks like this, while Alex's looks like this. Hey. Let's get up, man.
We have to wash, man. The weather has been terrible. When you're jacking up a vehicle, you got to make sure you don't jack it up off the oil sump, or you'll go through the bottom of the engine. So you usually find like a tough spot, like the K-frame or something, to jack that up of, and then yeah, I'll make sure you don't break anything. And we have had to put the car up on some shifty pieces of wood, otherwise we would not be able to fit the jack under here today. So yeah.
Yeah, we've already explained how low it is. Do we have to explain it again, Alex? No, I don't think we do. I get it, my car's a monster truck. Where's the electric jack, man? I will say this. I'm glad Alex is a mechanic, because our cars are super hot right now, and I'm not one for like touching that. And Alex is just like, yeah, deal with it every day at work. I'm not all about that. I'm about, you know, letting it cool down, let it do its thing. No, not this bloke. No, right, Alex?
Gotta get it done, man.
Is your car at operating temperature right now?
Yeah, just about. Just got home from work about 20 minutes ago. So.
Oh, look at who's the monster truck now, huh?
Hey! Whoa! Don't show that. I've jacked it up from the frame here, as you can see before the sun, just to make sure we don't damage any of the other engine components. But yeah, we'll get to drop on the oil now. Yeah, did you need hose?
What?
Did you need hose?
Do I have a hose? Yes, I do need a hose. That's the size I need. I just wanted to bring up, Alex, how hot is it right now?
In this garage, it's about 48 degrees. Outside in the sun, it's about 40 degrees. So we are currently sweating. Dripping
down the back.
And out to the $400 eBay toolbox. 1,000-piece kit. Get everything in it you need. Owned this before me, wherever he took it. They stripped the sump plug.
Oh, yep.
But it's alright, I got it.
Oh, I'll see it when it pours out. It's going to pour on your head.
No, it won't.
Yeah, not if you move that.
Hold up.
Come on, man. That's going to be like fire.
Hold up.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Or is it hot?
I'm just waiting for the plug to cool down. Oh, don't drop that shit.
Oh, it's on the edge. It's on the edge. Oh, that's good. What'd you say, Alex?
Hey, I thought something leaked on my hand, but it's just my forehead.
You say just Australian weather.
Yeah, it's a bit bloody hot under here, isn't it? Chucking the plug back in, get her all tightened up, and then we'll fill her up with some oil. We service our cars every like 2,500 Ks, so we do our filter
because we care.
Every second oil change, and it is good to service your car every 5,000 Ks. Not like 15,000 like the dealership says, but yeah.
Let me grab that for you, buddy. Oh, there goes my phone.
Oh, ripperoni,
God.
dude.
Ripperoni.
Ripperino! They take about 6 litres. This is the wrong container, but...
Castrol Edge, sponsor us.
Yeah, Castrol
Do
Edge.
it.
Alright, we have just chucked 6 litres in the engine there. We'll get the oil cap screwed back on. Start her up, wait a minute, and then we'll check the oil. Make sure it's always in neutral for all the manual drivers out there. Don't know why you drive an automatic, but yeah, we'll show you how to do the Aussie check it's in neutral position. Come over in.
Wait.
So you grab the stick, put the clutch in, make sure the clutch is in, and yep, she's in neutral. You let that run for a second, and then we'll turn it off, and then we'll check the oil there. Make sure you check the oil on a level surface, so the sump is flat and you're getting the correct oil level. So we'll be taking it off the timbers to make sure it is all good.
Alright, what's next?
So after you've filled it up with oil, you grab your
You grab your... Yep.
You grab your dipstick here. Usually it's got like a yellow head on it so you can see. You wipe it clean and then you stick it back in there and then pull it out.
Show us your level at.
And then you check the level. It is just the tiniest bit over full, but that is okay. Alright. So you've just did a quick oil change on the rig here. Don't worry about that just there. Now we will show Brandon how to do his car. Yes, he knows how to service his own car, but I'm just going to walk you guys through what to do from
a mechanic's point of view.
Yeah, from my perspective. While Brandon is jacking his car up just here, we'll just talk about the meet and what's upcoming and stuff like that. So the car meet will be on the 15th of February, so about 2 weeks away. And we'll be meeting at Penrith, the car park next to Guzman and Gomez, the taco shop, or the Mexican shop. We should get a good turnout, maybe 100 plus cars, and we'll chuck a poll in the Facebook event to see where you guys would like to cruise to. We were thinking maybe up the mountains or out Windsor Way or even out to Silverdale or somewhere like that, but we'll let the fans decide. We do have great feedback on the meet and you guys are very keen for that, so that's going to be a banger video, so make sure you don't miss that one. But for now we'll check up on what Brandon's doing. What's happening, man?
I am jacking it from this side now. How is this going to break?
Over here we'll get the 17mm socket. You got to put muscle in it, mate.
Huh?
Got to put some muscle in it, mate.
I thought you just crack it with a thing.
Yeah, well you got to put some muscle into it, otherwise she won't crack.
I'm putting muscle into it.
Well, why is it still on? Huh? Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Hey, 10 points to Gryffindor.
He slipped off, but yes indeed, he's got the job done.
I got it from my mama. Okay. She's super hot. I don't know how I'm supposed to get my hand behind it like yours.
Engine is hot. Be very careful because oil will burn your skin. Yep, and you move the tray pan backwards because Brandon has just dropped oil all over the driveway. Thanks, man.
How is it meant to shoot that far? Look how far I've got it.
Screw the plug back on, do it up tight there. She tight under there?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. So he has successfully drained the oil, and now we're going to get the car down on the ground.
Successfully? Really?
Yeah, successfully. We did drop a tiny little bit. Again, just down there, but that's alright, we'll get that cleaned up. Pull the stand out and slowly lower it down.
Ah!
Lovely. Now we have touched home at the motherland. Now chuck some oil in her. Now what are we using today for oil in the MPS?
Penrite HPR5 full synthetic 5W40.
And that is a recommended oil for this car according to the MPS group.
Yeah. Not according to the MPS.
No,
but what do they know?
But shout out to the MPS Owners Club Australia. There's going to be There's going to be a lot of you at the meet.
My boys.
Let's see what we're dealing with at the moment.
I'm on the dot.
Oh, hold up. Focus, focus, focus.
I'm on the dot. I'm on the max dot.
On the max dot.
Woo!
Well, that's what happens when you listen to your mechanic friend, isn't it, man?
Hey, next time we're doing the filters too. Did you tell them about the meat yet?
Yeah, I did. I've spoken about the meet. Everyone is very excited. We've got a lot of fans asking a lot of questions about it.
Wait, is she in neutral?
Hold on. How do we do that again?
Like, my clutch doesn't have to be in because I know it's in neutral.
Yep.
But this is how you do it.
Beautiful. She's in.
Needs a louder exhaust, I'll be honest.
Yeah. Sounds like a hybrid.
Come on, man. Yep.
Alright, there's those 3 bolts out. You pull the
Nuts.
connector. Well, the nuts, yeah. You pull the connector off the tail like there. And then with some persuasion, it should eventually pop out. And the connector will come off. And now we'll test fit the other one. So just for the video's sake, we're not going to chuck any bolts in or anything. We're just going to mount it up to see what it looks like. Ooh.
It looks so much better than this side.
So much better. Let's get a quick comparison of the old one.
So much better than this side.
Quick comparison here. This is what the old one looks like with all the chrome compared to the new one.
So much better. That's sick. What did you say there, Alex?
I'm going to knit these up hand tight, so in case, you know, in case you ever need to pull it out, which you're not going to, you can just undo it with your fingers, so easy access.
Let's chuck the carpet back in and...
Yep.
Alright guys, that's it for this video today. Obviously now you know how to service
Or
an
at least
XR6.
drain the oil at least.
Yeah, and drain it onto the driveway, but we're not going to talk about that. We're not going to talk about that. Be sure to follow us on the Instagram. Like I said before, it'll be down below. But we'll be posting more on the story there as well. So if you ever want to get updated or anything we're going to do, Instagram. Check the Instagram.
Check that shit out.
Alright.
Yeah, but until next time, you know, again, like you said, make sure you're checking out all the links down there to make sure you'll stay updated with our stuff. But until then, we'll catch you next time. Yeah!